Hey guys, so really quick, I just got this in the mail from a subscriber. I forgot if you say your name Gmo or Jimo. Gmo sent me an email a while ago telling me a story about how the channel really inspired him about getting a PT of his own. And he came so close to getting one, but at the last minute the deal didn't end up working out. In anticipation of doing it, he started working on something that he called a signature mod that he likes to do. I have no clue what it was, but since the deal didn't end up working out and he's going to be waiting, he wanted to send it out to support the channel, so I decided to pull the camera out because it just came in the mail. This little project has been a few weeks in the making, so I'm very curious to see what it is. So we're just gonna go ahead and open it and see what it is, because I honestly have no clue at this point. As you can see, it is addressed to the swag receiving department. It says it's fragile too. Whoa, a detailed brush set for nylon, brass, and steel. Oh man, I've needed brushes for a long time. What the heck, man? Oh, that's a good meme. Thanks. I need a lot of those too. Alright, a nice... Holy crap, dude. Whoa, this is like Christmas. What's going on here? Yeah, I need them too. Oh, I need a lot of those, man. That's what the PTGT's held together with. Alright, even more. That's what I'm talking about. That's the best Christmas present ever. Wow, I need a lot of these too because the PTGT's getting really dirty this time of year. Holy crap. My mind is like blown. Look at this, more cable ties. This is insane, bro. Now this is the big surprise. I'm so curious to see what this is. Actually, we're gonna pull this box right out. I'm honestly like just mind blown by this dude already. What the heck? Oh, no way. No way, dude. I know what this is. I was literally just talking about new taillights. You've got to be kidding me. Holy crap, guys. Look at this. These are beautiful. My mind is actually blown right now. Oh my god. That's beautiful. How did you do this? Guys, these are like... I gotta give you a better look at these. Y'all don't even know. I'm speechless right now. This is insane. Look at this. These are beautiful. These are going to... Can you imagine how amazing these are going to look on the PTGT? This alone is insane, but then look at all this. This is Christmas right here. Alright guys, back out here in our natural environment. I want to give you guys a little bit closer look and tell you guys the story behind these taillights before we actually go ahead and install them and see how they look, of course. But in the last clips you just saw, that was when I actually like officially opened that box from Gmo. I literally had no clue what was going to be inside. It was truly a surprise, and it was just, I was mind blown and I was kind of speechless at the time. But I want to go all out and kind of tell the whole story because it's amazing to me. It means a lot to me. And then of course, you know, we'll do what everybody's here for, which is to see the awesome new taillights finally installed on the PTGT. But first, let's just take a closer look at these beautiful things. These are custom made by him. They're like the deep red. They're not like a smoked, but they're just like a really deep, darker red, which I absolutely love. I cannot wait to see these on the car. And they also have the really, really cool, super unique little stripes with the slash cut ends on them. They go all the way across here. That's so cool. That's gonna look super clean here on the PTGT. Actually, just for the heck of it, let's hold it up. I cannot wait. Okay, I'm gonna get ahead of myself. Give you guys a little bit more of an inside story. I've been emailing back and forth with Gmo for a while now. He's a subscriber to the channel, and I see him commenting on like almost every video, which is really cool. It's guys like that that keep me doing what I'm doing and make me able to, you know, make these videos like I do. But we've been emailing back and forth, and he kind of told me the story behind how he was really excited to finally be purchasing a PTGT of his own. He said it was super nice. It was exactly what he was looking for. And in quote-unquote hysterical anticipation, he started working on a little project, or as he called it, a signature mod that he likes to do to a lot of his cars. At the very last minute, it didn't end up working out. He wasn't able to end up purchasing the PTGT that he really hoped to. I know how that feels. There were a couple cars that I was really like, it was to the point where I was already emotionally attached to the car before I bought it, and it's kind of a bad idea. You kind of have to take it easy because who knows what's going to happen, especially buying a used car like that. You say he wants to wait till spring to look for one and find something exactly like what he's looking for, but he had already started on this project and he kind of wanted to do something with it rather than see it sit on a shelf. So he hit me up and it's like, hey, I love the videos. I want to send you out a really cool surprise that I'm working on. It's probably going to take a little while to finish, but would that be okay if I sent it to you? And I said, of course, absolutely. I appreciate it. You know, I had zero clue what to expect. In one of the last videos I put up on this car, and I completely forgot that I did this, but I mentioned how I had some ideas about the taillights that I wanted to do. Including the taillights, I actually have an idea of what I'm gonna do with the taillights that I'll be showing you guys soon, hopefully. But he heard me mention that in the video, so he said he had to hurry and get these finished and send them out to me because he wanted to give me the option of putting these on the car. When I open them, they're freaking gorgeous. How could I not put these on the car? Not only are they beautiful, are they perfect, are they gonna go like exactly with what my kind of dream for them was. So they have such a cool backstory. It means the world to me that people out there like actually enjoy my videos. They get something out of them somehow, enough to that they would put this much time and effort and love into something like this and then send it to me. Not even expecting me to make a video on it or to do anything with them. So again, thank you G.E for sending these out. This is more than just a set of taillights to me. I get comments from you guys too where you say, you know, you enjoy the videos for so many reasons. You know, you find them entertaining somehow. You find me and the way I ramble when I talk entertaining, and my car that everybody hates entertaining, and everything like that. I am blessed beyond measure to have this opportunity, whether it's big, whether it's small, whether it makes a lot of money, whether it makes basically nothing. I'm truly blessed, and I want to thank every one of you guys for your support by just watching the videos even. It still means the world to me. So there we go. Enough of the sap. Let's go ahead and start installing these. I also got these LED bulbs because I cannot bear to put these in with some basic halogens. Again, I might need to get some sort of like resistor or load equalizer or something that these actually work properly, but we're gonna try to plug them in today and see what happens and see how they work. Just gotta undo the screw, pop them out, pop the new ones in, and then finally see how they look. It's gonna look so good, I cannot wait. Whoops. Okay, there we go. Pop these bulbs out here and throw the LEDs in real quick. Alright, there's that. Alright, here they go. This is a little tricky to get these to pop in just right. Oh man. Oh my god, that is awesome. I'm so sad that the car is dirty like it is right now, but oh man, that looks clean. The red actually stands out a tiny bit more on camera than it seems to in person. Maybe you could get a better idea. It looks a little bit more like that. Oh man, that looks so clean. I love the lines. Those are such a cool touch. Like, I cannot even begin to tell you. And such a unique touch, too. I've never seen anything like this. Okay, now, here's the question is, let's go ahead and try out the light bulbs. I'm gonna go ahead and stick the 4-ways on here. Okay, they're working. The LED doesn't seem to be having any issues. Can't really step on the brakes and stand back here and look at it, but I can kind of see in the camera lens that they're working. They seem to be working fine in my case. So I'm going to go ahead and install the other one really quick off camera, but really quick I want to note that he also said in this little thing he included in the package, so there's a little bit of orange peel, which I mean is hardly noticeable at all. I didn't even notice it at first until he mentioned anything. He said you might want to flitz them, definitely wax them of course. So I don't know if we're going to do it in this video, but we're definitely going to have to flitz these really quick. Of course, as always, link to Flitz and all their stuff down in the description. If you guys are interested, but Flitz makes some awesome products, some awesome sealant, and awesome polish. It's really easy to use and super versatile. Everybody should have a little bit on their shelf, I swear. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the other side on. We'll pull it outside and get some glamour shots. But damn, that looks awesome. Still a little bit speechless about this, but guys, the new taillights, as you can see, they look absolutely incredible. They're just like a perfect contrast against the black. They're just dark enough, they're just red enough. The stripes add such a cool little detail. They look absolutely insane on this car. I literally could not be happier with the way they turned out, and again, a huge shout out to G.E
for making these for me. This was super huge, man. I'm so excited because I want to do something with the taillights, and there's so many options out there and so many that I really don't like. These are just so clean and so perfect. I am absolutely in love with the look of them. And now I just need summer to come so that I have a nice clean car, and I also need to repaint it so that it matches them. But again, huge shout out to G.E and to all you guys who support the channel, even like I said, just by coming and watching all the videos. It means the absolute world to me, and it's what allows me to do what I do today. Something I've been thinking about, and I want to know what you guys think, so I'm going to post a poll up in the corner. Be sure and click that little thing that's popping up right now and let me know what you think of me starting a PO box. I know it's a common thing for YouTubers to do. They'll just throw it in the description of a video and people can send them whatever they want, as long as it's legal, of course. I think it's become more common among small channels more recently because we are small. We have kind of our niche audience. I think people find that as a fun way to support content creators that they enjoy. So I don't know if it'd be something you guys would be interested in. And I would try my best to open everything on camera as always, but let me know what you guys think of that, of course, up in the corner. But for now, guys, that is going to do it for this video. I don't know how quick this video is going to be or how long it's going to be, but either way, I hope you enjoyed, and hit that thumbs up button if you are super excited, just like me, for these new taillights. I am absolutely in love with the new look. And of course, as always, a lot more to come on this car. The next video I have for you is something really exciting. It's something you all are going to be interested in, something that can seriously help you guys out. So be sure and stay tuned for that. That'll be out this coming weekend. And then from there, there's just so much, I don't even know where to begin. So just be sure and smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell if you haven't, so that you know every time something comes out here on the channel. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I just realized my face is really white because of the light. Snow makes everything a pain, including my exposure. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. You rock. God bless you guys, and I will see you in the next one.